Are your outfits basic? And don't even say no, because I know you're lying. When we literally have freedom to wear whatever you want, you wear a basic outfit? Girl, if you're a basic B, I'm literally gonna show you how to level up your outfits using accessories. So right now I have a pretty basic outfit on, and I'm going to change it into an outfit that literally looks like you are a fashion icon, and you will literally have people asking you, oh my god, where did you get that from? First, we're gonna add some accessories, and the first accessory is necklaces and bracelets. So I'm just gonna add a quick necklace and then a quick bracelet. After that, we gotta put on some cute earrings. I just have these hoop earrings and I'm gonna put them right on. Let's look at that waist, girl. There's no belt on those pants. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on a belt and also put this little raccoon tail thing that I use a lot because I think it's so cute. Now we've got some more flair to our pants. Okay, now you're looking cute, but girl, we're not stopping there. You can still add some more. A lot of people like to call me extra, but I do not care. Honestly, I really want 2025 to be the year we throw minimalists out, because I feel like in fashion there is so much stuff you can add to your outfit to make it not boring, and I'm so tired of walking around school and seeing the most basic bleeps ever around. Because some of y'all girls be having the cutest makeup, like you'll have a full beat, your hair is so cute, and then your outfit is just so blah. Now let's look at those legs, girl. One of my favorite things to put on under my shorts are leggings. I have these leggings with holes in them that are super cute, and I really love wearing them underneath shorts. These are literally the furthest from boring. These will spice up your outfit, like so cute. I'm gonna put on some furry leg warmers. I wear leg warmers all the time. I feel like with me, I really do like gyaru fashion and 2000s fashion. And one thing that I see in both of these is leg warmers, and I feel like leg warmers are so cute. Now's the time to add any extra accessories that you want. For example, instead of bracelets, you can always wear fingerless gloves on your hands. There's this one pair that I love so much, and they really make it so my arms don't look really bare. Next thing up is hats. Fuzzy hats are something I have been wearing for like a couple years now, and it's summer right now, but as soon as it gets cold, y'all need to start prioritizing fuzzy hats because they look so cute. Or if you're not really feeling a fuzzy hat, you can just go with a regular baseball hat, which is something that I would honestly wear right now because it is summer. If you're going with no hat, you can always add in hair clips, hair ties, bows, things like that. Now girl, before you go out, you're gonna go ahead and need your purse. So pick a cute purse that matches your outfit. I was gonna get a black one, but I don't have any black ones right now, so I'm just gonna use this cute silver one. And now our outfit is complete. Now let's see the before and after. Before, this outfit was definitely basic and honestly looked kind of lazy, like I just put on a random shirt and pants and then left the house. This second outfit is a lot more better. It looks like you put more time into it, and it utilizes a bunch of different fashion items and accessories that you can use. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you really like these tips on how to utilize accessories and make your outfits not boring. I love going all out with my outfits. Fashion is one of the many ways you can represent yourself, because your body is a temple, so you need to decorate it how you want, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope these little fashion tips were helpful. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.